What's up, warriors? Welcome to another Bitcoin price update. As you can see from the last videos I was talking to you about, that if we break these levels, the Bitcoin was going to start coming down, and it did. Okay, the lowest has been around that 36,350 area. Okay, and so far we do have a naked point of control there where we did not touch it, but if you would have front run it, you actually would have called the low from this little drop. Okay, right now though we are moving back up, it seems like, but we are having this resistance here of this previous value area high where we end up getting rejected. Okay, and as you can see, we're coming back down to this golden ratio of the Fibonacci's. Okay, now in order to continue moving back up, we do need to break these two levels here. Okay, the Fibonacci and the previous value area high, in order to move up to the next level, which is the 0.5 Fibonacci, which is around the 39,300 or area. Okay, so in order for us to move out of this section, we do need to break these two levels first. Now, as you can see to your left, we actually came back to this previous range. Okay, I've been telling you guys, make sure you save your ranges because they usually come back and get revisited. All right, now if we move back a little bit, as you can see, this previous range here, we were here, right? Bam. Now we came back and revisit this range here. Okay, and that's where we at right now, but we might be able to get a bounce from here. Excuse me. Okay, so let me just zoom in for you guys. As you can see, this is on the 1 hour. Let me actually zoom into the 4 hour here. All right, so this is the 4 hour section. Okay, as you can see, we did get super close to this point of control here. Okay, so if you took a long from here, you're in super profits. That's amazing. Congratulations. Now, of course, like I said, we do need to break these two levels here. The Fibonacci, since we're revisiting it right now, as you can see, we did try to break above it, but it did not close, right? It came back into the middle of these Fibonacci levels, okay, which is in the middle of basically the 0.618 and the 0.66, okay? And we end up getting rejected from the value area high. So we do need to break these two levels. We need to close a candle above it, maybe back test, and then continue moving back up in order for us to keep moving to the next levels. From there, this is the next resistance, which is the next Fibonacci, which is the 0.5. And if we can break above it and start closing above it, then we can move on to the next level, which is the 0.382 around the 40,900 zone. Okay, so from there, that's what we are looking at right now. If we do get a nice bounce back up, okay, we do also have this huge single prints right here. It's not one, but it's three of them, but they are big. If we can do that and break through that, then we can maybe start seeing the next level, which will be around the 44,500 area. But we are kind of far away from there right now. As you guys can see, from the top to the bottom, right, this drop was a 18.74%, and from the bottom where we at right now, okay, to the top to get back to that level, that will be 18.49%. okay, it's a big move. I don't know if we're going to be able to get to there, but we do have these levels here. Okay, and if we can break those levels, then we can see this daily resistance, and if we can break through that, of course we can continue moving back up. Now if we do break through these levels, let's say, right, and we continue moving back up, then we have this section right here. Okay, this is major resistance. All right, if we can break through this, I can probably see if we do like a liquidity grab, right, and have a big wake up and close below it, then and we might start coming back down. Okay, and if we start coming back down, that's when we can start seeing again another big dump to the downside around the 35,000 to 25,000 area. But we're not there yet. Let's not worry about that. Okay, because what can also happen is, let's say an example, we come back up here, we start closing above it, start maybe ranging for a little bit, and then start breaking above these other Fibonacci levels and start, bouncing back up. Then we can actually maybe start moving back up and start seeing these new all-time highs, right? So those are the two sections. You always got to have a bullish and a bearish scenario, okay, when you are doing your trading, to make sure that you understand what can happen, because you can be super bearish and it can just start moving back up, right? You can also be super bullish and it can just drop. So this is why you make a plan, right? And you execute your plan when your levels are being hit. Remember, this is not financial advice. This is just for educational purposes only. Okay, so always protect your capital. That's rule number one. Always have stop losses, rule number two, and make sure that you have fun along the way. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this short little quick video for you guys. Let's see what happens this week. Hopefully we can start moving back up. Okay, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And remember, let the profits come to you.